Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, Colors. Thank you, Fremantle. Thank you, Raj, for having me over here. Thank you, Rav Singh. Where are you, Rav? Yeah, there he is. Rav Singh and, of course, Mr. Simon Cowell, who's not here tonight, but allowing me to participate in this amazing platform that has been created around the world. सारी दुनिया में मैं बार-बार हिंदी में भी रूपांतर कर रहा हूँ कि हिंदी चैनल जो है, क्योंकि कलर्स वाले बार-बार बोलते हैं हिंदी में बोला करो, अंग्रेजी में बोला करो, ऐसा ये तो समझ नहीं आता लोगों को, क्योंकि ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म हर कोने में, हमारी दुनिया में, हमारे देश में, दुनिया भर में कहीं ना कहीं पर हम में से हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट होता है और हमको मौका नहीं मिलता है हर किसी को कि वो टैलेंट को जो है शोकेस कर सके. एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज वंडर्ड, सम ऑफ अस गेट लकी लाइक आई डिड. आई हैड few opportunities, chances where I come from, New Rajendra Nagar in Delhi, where there was a Ram Leela, and there was a director in the Ram Leela, and he saw my talent, and he cast me as a monkey, and which was a good enough start, whatever you cast as long as you get the platform. तो मैंने कई बार बोला है और फिर बोलूँगा, मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलता था, पहला पोर्शन नहीं, सेकंड पोर्शन, बोल सियापति रामचंद्र की, और मैं जय पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय, with a long tail. But I got the opportunity. It gave me confidence that I can go and stand in front of hundreds and thousands of people. Actually, Ram Leela is very big in New Delhi, and I could go and perform there. And then slowly, people started giving me opportunities to do a few dialogues. I thought I could mimic actors, which I tried. I was very good at Prithviraj Kapoor Saab, which many of you may not be, the younger ones won't know, but Beta Salim. So I used to do mimicry on stage. I used to do शायरी, which was really bad. लोग कहते हैं मेरी आंटी के होंठ गुलाबी हैं, मैं कहता हूँ उनकी आंखें शराबी हैं. ऐसी kind of शायरी करता था. However bad it was, the truth is that I got an opportunity to stand in front of thousands of people, hundreds of people, at 1 a.m. while people were eating mungfali, and showcase what I thought was my talent. And each talent that we have within ourselves requires a platform. So I want to thank Got Talent team, Rav, who's been directing it, Simon Cowell, Raj, for bringing it here. And the world over, wherever they show it, I just got to know they have one in Afghanistan too. So wonderful, not only just Britain's Got Talent and India's Got Talent. And it's one of the most amazing platforms. Whoever thought of it and put it together has really done a great service to talents around the world who don't get an opportunity. And I'm sure the farther it is spread, the bigger it is made, you will find some amazing talent all around the world.
India में दो तरह के entertainment होते हैं. एक obviously Bollywood, the biggest form of entertainment in our country, where everything is planned and it's Bollywood style and it's short and lots of money is being spent and everyone pays to go and watch it. And then there is shows like India's Got Talent, where somebody just comes up and 5 minutes shows what he's all about and entertains the audience. What do you think has the more wow factor? Like ज़्यादा गज़ब की बात किस में है? That you've created something which has been worked upon, or something that just comes up and entertains you out of the blue?
Meaning, I think the truth is कि जो जादू होता है, चाहे वो जैसे राज करते हैं या magicians करते हैं, जादू वो एक दो पलों में ही होता है, एक दो घड़ी में ही होता है, एक सेकंड में हो जाता है, मोमेंट में हो जाता है. जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी फिल्मों में, तो हमारे एक डायरेक्टर हैं केतन मेहता, तो जब मैं फिल्में नहीं करना चाहता था, मुझे समझ नहीं थी, तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा बोला था कि यार तुम कभी-कभी पूरे सीरियल में फौजी या दिल दरिया में पूरे एपिसोड देखे एक दो बार तुम जादू कर लेते. तो हम जितने भी पैसे खर्च करें बॉलीवुड की फिल्म में, जो भी उसका एक मैग्नम ओपस स्टाइल है, whatever we do, whenever we sit down and think we're making a big entertainer, or we do a show like India's Got Talent, Britain's Got Talent, and small other shows too, where we are showcasing people who don't get an opportunity. The magic of entertainment, the magic of smiles, the magic of the wow factor happens only in moments, whether it's a 2.5 hour, 200 crore rupee or a $2 billion film, or if it's a show, which of course these shows are also mounted beautifully and fantastically. They have a franchise which is really amazing. I've been on these shows, how they handle it is difficult, but I think magic of entertainment happens only in moments. How many hours, how much money you spend is not really important. So I think if you ask me, the magic of wow, how long and how expensive it is, it's in a second or even less, and it's completely priceless. There is no price on it.
So well put, awesome.